Welcome to Recreation SolidWorks CADCam Practice 20. Today we are going to draw a 3D render model part 4. So here is the detailed drawing of the 3D render model. We have the side view, front view and the top view. We can create this model using simple features such as boss extrude and cut extrude, but today I am going to show different methods to create this 3D model. Let's begin. So first of all, I am going to use the side view to create this model. So I start from the right plane. I create a new sketch. Using the line command, I create the shape of the model from the side view. Okay, once we created, we are going to apply the dimension, which this is about 14. From here to here also 14. And the length of this one is 28. And the height of the model also 28. So we have the side view here now. And then exit sketch. Go to futures, boss extrude. And then we are going to give the length total is 50. Once we created this, and now I'm going to create this feature using cut extrude. So I'm selecting this face and creating a center line from the midpoint of these edges. And then using the line command also, I create a rectangle. Before I'm giving the dimension to this rectangle, I make sure that these both lines are symmetrical to the center point. Okay, and then the dimension of the rectangle is, the height is 7 and the length is 14. Okay, exit sketch, cut extrude, and then select the features to all both. Okay, so once we've done this, we also can done here using the same command, but today I'm going to show how we are going to mirror this feature on this plane. So for that we need a reference plane at 45 degree. So I'm using the plane here, reference geometry, using the plane. I select front plane, and then the second reference I select this. So you can see over here. So I delete the face and I select the top plane, and now you can see we are creating a plane at 45 degree angle. And then click OK, go to mirror, select the plane 1, and then add the features. You can expand here and select the cut extrude feature. So it automatically will mirror the feature over this plane, and then click OK. And you can hide this plane. Now we complete the 3D model render part 4. Okay, this is using the side view. Now next I'm going to show you how to create this model using the top view. Okay, I suppress all the features, and then I'm going to start with top plane. Using the top plane, same, you can use the center rectangle to create the rectangle. And then I'm going to give the dimension is about, this one is 28 and the length is 50. And okay, using the line command, I'm going to draw a rectangle over here to replicate this feature. And then using the center line, I'm going to connect to this line of the point. Okay, and make sure that this center line is vertical, and then make sure this both lines are symmetrical to this center line. Alright, and then I'm going to give dimension, this one 14 and this one 7, and then I'm going to trim this area. Okay, so exit sketch, extrude base, and the height of this is 14. Okay, I'm going to show you an isometric view. Yes, so we have this feature now. Again, we are going to create a reference plane using the front plane and the top plane. So here we cannot use the top plane. You can see it's coincide over here. So I delete the top plane and I'm going to choose this face, the top face. So you can see it's coincide at the top face at 45 degree angle, and then click OK. Now using the mirror feature, and then select the plane 2, and then for the feature we are going to select the boss extrude 2, and then click OK. So I hide the plane. Now with two simple methods we already create the same model random part 4. So this is the second way to create this model. So that's all from me for this model. Don't forget to share, subscribe and like this video. Stay tuned for the CADCam Practice 21. Thank you.